Hi everyone, welcome to day 2 of July 2020's BOGO. So, if you purchase a turmeric today, you are going to get the amazing, precious Cheer Uplifting blend from doTERRA. And this Cheer blend is one of a kind. It has the essential oils wild orange, cloves, star anise, lemon myrtle, nutmeg, vanilla, ginger, cinnamon. It is a wonderful combination to not only uplift your mood, but do so much more. Did you know that Cheer essential oil is the essential oil of cheerfulness? I'm going to read a little bit about Cheer from one of my resource books that is called Essential Emotions. This book is my go-to for when I want to really deep dive and get educated on the emotional side of an essential oil. So Cheer's emotional side of that oil goes like this. Cheer encourages individuals who are overcome by feelings of hopelessness and helplessness. It helps restore one's hope when they have been stretched beyond the limits of their endurance. Well, I think we all can agree the times that we are in right now are stretching us emotionally thin. I know for myself, I am drained quicker. I am needing more assistance to boost my emotional state. So this Cheer today you can get for free is a wonderful opportunity for you to get it in your home. This blend inspires faith that life will work out of the best despite difficulties and setbacks. Cheer reminds individuals there's so much more to life than the hardship they are experiencing. Wow. Couldn't we all use Cheer in our lives right now? I know I can. So if you are suffering from any of the negative emotions such as feeling weighed down, hopeless, joyless, heavy-hearted, feeling depleted and helpless, I encourage you to invite Cheer into your daily routine. Because with this essential oil, some of the positive properties that can come out of this is feelings of being hopeful, comforted, cheerful, uplifted, joyful, determined, and restored. So you guys, I encourage you today to make sure you place your order to get this precious Cheer into your home. If you want to know how to use it, I'm going to tell you right now, my friends. Cheer, our uplifting blend, is for topical and aromatic use only. So you can simply open up the bottle and inhale the amazing aromas, or dilute 1 to 3 drops with carrier oil and apply over your heart, your forehead, or your wrists. My favorite thing to do, which I'm actually doing right now, is diffusing Cheer in my workspace. I want to encourage positivity, cheerfulness, happiness all across the board. So my friends, today's the day to get Cheer for free. I wish you all the best. Happy BOGO week.